My name is Dennis. I'm the editor for Enjoy the Ride. And I've been editing James's videos for quite some time now. Not too long, but some time. And kind of got me going. I was like, hey, maybe I should take a hike. But now that I hear what I just said, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Anyway, I'm gonna go on the nature trail hike. I've been on it before, it's nice. But last time I did it was about 50 pounds ago, so. But it's hot. I don't think this is a good idea. So the place we are going to is called the Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. Yeah. So I just arrived at the Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge, and God bless that lady. You know, I know she's working hard, but she goes, "We close at 5 sharp, sir, and if you ain't out of here at 5 sharp, we're locking you in. So please make sure that you're out of here at 5 sharp." Okay, that was interesting. 5 sharp, okay? Okay, so I just saw this car parked kind of in the middle of the road, and I guess the driver right on the other side of the car is just pants down, taking a poo. This is not what I imagine a nature trail hike to go as. I wish I had my camera out, but I don't know. Y'all did not need to see that. I don't need to show you. Just know there's an old lady back there, about a quarter of a mile back, taking a poo. Oh, gross. Here we go. Nature trail hike. Wow. It's so pretty. Actually, it is really... Actually, it's really beautiful, actually. That's the sound of nature right there. Birds squeaking and a dump truck backing up. Yeah. Embarrassing work story time. I work at a retail pharmacy. I had a customer come up to the window and he goes, "I have a boyfriend." And I'm like, "That's great." And then we awkwardly stared at each other for about a minute or two. And then he goes, "Can you show me where the ibuprofen is?" Okay, yeah, no problem. Yeah. I'm still trying to shake the shame off that. Oh, man. It is. Whew. Everything about this trail is steep. Okay? Like, it's beautiful and all, but god dang. And the more steps! Why? No. Look at this crap. Every journey begins with one step. Good God. Everybody wants to be at top, but no one wants to work for it, so here I go. We're not going to look back because I am afraid of heights. Good Lord. Yeah, this is a workout. I 100% agree with you, James. This is a workout. I mean, almost lost balance. Although, am I enjoying the ride right now? No. No, I'm not. Oh, thank God, flat surfaces. All right, okay, I'm gonna tell you guys this. This is a hard trail. All right, let me just show y'all. Okay, I'm barely in. Look, where are we? 3/4. Get water, y'all. Get water. Don't mess around. I chose the hardest trail. I thought it looked so easy because, I mean, it's not. This is a hard trail. Start off with white. Research it. Research it, guys. Don't drink too fast because your stomach's gonna hurt. Also, I don't recommend you guys getting a Kenya combo, no slaw, extra fries with a sweet tea. Don't eat that before you come here. Okay? There's a bench. There's a bench. Okay. I'm telling you guys now, this is... Yeah, so James said, do the white trail. Yes. Yes, do the white trail. It is rewarding though, like this so far, so beautiful. So it's actually like really, really beautiful. So yeah, but research, please. It is now 4:10 p.m. A lady at the front gate said 5 sharp, and the road is right there. I'm gonna turn back now. Oh God. Because I don't want to be locked out in this place. I made it on the road. That's pavement. God bless America, that's pavement. That's beautiful. I'm just flat surface, no steps. My ass is going straight back to the car. Yo, this is the kind of stuff that makes me want to get a canoe and just go out there and paddle on that. Oh my God. Those crows have been following me for quite some time now. I'm not food! Oh God. Y'all see that? There's a deer over there. They're hunting me. They are hunting me. All right, now that I'm calmed down a little bit, what is my experience here at this death trail? And I gotta say, if you're an advanced hiker, yes, this is a fun trail. Hell, I even had fun almost falling to my death several times. So bring water, sunscreen, bug spray, and enjoy. Ah, it's so hot! Oh! Come on, come on, come on. Low. We are going low. I don't think it's a good idea to go hiking at 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. I didn't cry. This is the off and the banana boat kept going my eyes. Look. Oh God. Nature trails. Fun. All fun. Boy, let me tell you, I'm actually gonna do it again, for real though. Like maybe on a cooler fall, maybe in the early morning, but not in the middle of the day where it's 118 freaking degrees. God bless. Really bad jokes aside, guys, like this actually was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. I really did enjoy it. It is actually quite freeing. Like, I have racing thoughts quite often. Like, my mind doesn't stop, and now it's just nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is awesome. Definitely coming back out here again, 100%. I hope you guys do. If you ever find yourself in Fort Worth, or even if you're in Fort Worth, okay? Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. All right, look for this. I am telling you guys, it is awesome. Okay, I've walked every single trail before, but mind you, this was pre-COVID that I did this. So I haven't been here in like 2-3 years, and this is a lot of fun. This was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed whatever the hell that was. That's salt. That is salt and off. Salt off and banana boat on my lips. Let's get out there. Let's enjoy the ride. Here I go, Gladys. Leaving it before it's 5 sharp, Gladys. I don't know. I don't think her name's Gladys, but all right, let's go home.